Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here one more time for String Tech Workstation, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. We have this 1962 Southern Jumbo that I replaced the top on that, but I got something else I want to show you right now. This is this monster-sized Jumbo Guild. We did the complete refret on this. Now, these are EVO frets, 55 thou high. We corrected the fingerboard and changed the trajectory of the string angle just a little bit to be able to squeeze out that intonation. You can see how close we got that. So this bridge was removed and the foot was resurfaced, the top was resurfaced, and it was re-glued. So that bought us back a little bit of real estate as far as the action goes. In addition to all that, we also put a compensated nut on this one. And these are 11 to 52 strings, or a custom light string. I tried a couple of different sets, and this guitar just seemed to respond best to these strings. Not just the playability, like it's super smooth to play, but even the tone, it just sounded better than the 12 to 53. The 12 to 53 were just a little bit too taut. So that big wide span of soundboard, it can be problematic. If I look across the top between the bridge and the edge of the sound hole, it was really dishing in with the heavier string. It's kind of leveled out now, so we've reduced the amount of tension on that top. And like I said, the wider tops tend to be more problematic than a more compact soundboard. There's a lot more flexibility in these big jumbos. Anyway, we got this thing exactly where we need it. Let's take it in the house and have a listen. So here we are at last. This big Jumbo Guild is 100% smooth as silk, perfectly in tune. So let's have a listen. As you saw earlier, we have the compensated nut, a complete refret, corrected the fingerboard. These are EVO frets, so they'll wear 7 times as long as your normal nickel silver fret. And I did settle on a 11 to 52 string. The guitar just seemed to responded to that custom light string, the tone of the guitar, and of course the playability. So the bridge was re-glued, and I fabricated a compensated saddle for the bridge, which matched the fingerboard radius perfectly. And you know, I have to compliment Guild on this. Their placement on that saddle slot just allowed enough room to be able to intonate all 6 strings all the way across from this. many, many years since this guitar played like this. So I'll play a few different chord voicings in different parts of the neck. There's a A major 7. There's a E major 9.